Hello, my name is Gurkhanagi Amishrumal Gomez. My mentor number is 186572. So in this video, I will actually share a bit about my experience of my industrial training. So I did my industrial training in South Africa in a company called Eskom, which is actually the biggest power company in South Africa, and it's the 7th largest in the world. More specifically, I worked for one of their institutes called EPE, which stands for Eskom Power Plant Institute, and they specialize in HVAC, which is high voltage AC systems. So for my main project in the company, I was actually doing testing on some of the inquiries that the clients were giving the company, which was that there was no actually testing done on over voltage issues that were happening inside the solar panels not just in solar farms but also in rooftop PV panels. So for my main project, actually I was testing what happens when there is a direct strike on the metal frame of a solar panel by lightning, and how that lightning current affects the conductor that's running from the solar panel that does generate electricity and does run the current. So from my testing, which is mainly about getting the induced voltage on the conductor cable by actually putting an 8x20 current waveform, which is actually a waveform used to replicate the indirect strike of a lightning on a metal frame, and see what's the effect on the conductor cables. So I did it for various amplitudes of the current waveform, which is mainly the Eigner function, and I got what's the actual current and compared how the distance between the conductor cable and the metal frame actually affect the induced voltage that is induced in the conductor. And apart from this, I actually worked with two of the affiliated companies of EPE, which was LPC, which stands for Lighting Production Concepts. They mainly focus on consultation, designing and training programs on lighting production and lighting production systems. And my third company I worked for was CBI Electric, which they focus on manufacturing and testing of certain products, mainly circuit breakers, but they do SPDs and so on like that. So for LPC, I actually created them a client portal for them to use, so they can have their installers, their designers, as well as the customers can create an account and actually access their various products and information on them by actually creating an account. I created a pay structure on the portal as well, where they can actually get the ISR forms, which stands for Installation Safety Reports, for lighting production system, and also get the risk assessment done online, which hasn't been offered before. So I created the portal as well as the online systems for them. And for the third company, I actually created a tester from the schematics to PCB to actually building the tester to test actually their circuit breakers and other components as well. So the tester is actually mainly to actually give a pulse to the component that you're actually going to test. And basically for the tester, I had to build a schematic to get the current that will actually run through the component, as well as the voltage, the minimum current that will go through the maximum voltage, the pulse time, and actually I made the tester so that it's programmable and the user can actually define their own parameters on the pulse width and so on that they are going to give to the component that's being tested. And I actually made the results that we get from that testing to actually get it uploaded to the internet so they can view it on a web page. So that's a quick overview of the three main projects that I did with the three companies. The experience was quite beneficial for me, especially because it's related to what I'm actually studying. Plus, it goes to the control systems and the microelectronics that we are learning now. So it was a great experience. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.